We're gonna take over Annapolis. Rubik's Cube away, episode 1. There's a giant Rubik's Cube out there. Let's go get it. Okay, ready to roll. We got Migs. General Defender, I'm blocked. Repeat, I'm blocked. Retreat. Okay, everybody. Our next mission, find that Rubik's Cube. No aircraft will take off after that Rubik's Cube until we have not only found it, but have developed an elaborate plan to destroy it. Cube, our Russian contacts have just acquired us some Mi-8 transport helicopters. We'll finally get off this Rubik's Cube! To be continued. But where is the Rubik's Cube now? Find out next time on Rubik's Cube Away.